What's up everybody, this is George for Renegade GT, and in today's video we're going to be adding the claw scratch decal over the headlight. I'm only doing the one, I think the one looks best. We're going to be cleaning up the area, installing it, talk about it, review it. We'll see how it goes. Before I actually get to the cleaning part of it, I just want to show you guys. So I ordered this about a week ago off of eBay. You can find them anywhere, eBay, Amazon. But this is what it looks like. I think what I'm going to do, because the bottom part of the Renegades have a shorter part of the bumper that is exposed, I think I'm going to cut this. I'm going to cut it to fit it so it doesn't look horribly weird and awkward. Well, we'll see. We'll lay it over, we'll get some measurements, we'll get ideas. But yeah, that's what it looks like. You got a thin layer you got to peel back, and then you go to put it on, press it down, peel it all off. Yeah, we'll go through it. Alright, first things first, I'm going to be cleaning the area. Today I got some just soapy water just to clean the area with our microfiber towel. Let's do that part. Alright, I think it looks good. I think I want to do it on the driver's side. I feel like it'd look a little better. We'll install it and see what happens. First things first, we want to figure out how we want to do this. So it's intended to be claw scratches up top and the remainder down here. As you can see, this thing is pretty big for this car. I do have a little knife to help me with some cutting and figuring out how I want it. We'll do a couple cuts and we'll be back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end up cutting these individual right down the middle. It'll be easier to maneuver. And then I'm going to cut about to this notch. I'm going to cut so it's kind of an angle, so when it's sitting on the car it actually looks a little better. And then I probably will cut most of this and just use the little bottom pieces, but I know for sure it'd be easier to individually cut these down the center. Let me cut it up and I'll come back with you with the end result. Alright guys, so this is kind of what I decided to do. I did cut them, but I kind of left them, so it might make it easier. I'm going to line it up about so. I'm going to have a little flap over to put it underneath the hood. And I think that's probably good. I don't want it too crazy up here. I don't want it too short. I think this is about where I want it. I'll just give it one last wipe down. Get any fingerprints or anything on. You want to make sure this thing sticks pretty well. So this is what we're going to do. I have to peel this back just like so. Oops. So I did realize that I had it marked like this and not like this. But it's okay, I actually prefer it to be that way than the inside of the hood. So this would still work out for me actually a little better. The cuts are a little off now, but it's alright, we'll make it work. You will probably need a squeegee for it as well. I have one in my pocket, I'll grab it here in a second. And then I'll just lay it down and cut off the remainder that we have left. Let me just peel this guy off. I think about there is good. So it will help to have a little squeegee just to help it flatten down. Make sure there's no major air bubbles. And that one down. Jesus, attack of the leaves. Guess that leaf wandered in some of that action, huh? Alright. And then this little excess I'll trim off. Okay, let's trim this little guy up. just roll it under. So you can see there's still some air bubbles in there, but once I peel this clear part off, they'll come off. So let's start with this side. Make sure you do not peel the claw itself. These two are both coming off. Nice. Let's get to this last one. Perfect. Okay, that doesn't look terrible. Looks kind of cool. It almost looks like the eyelashes, which I'm not going for that look, but let's add the lower piece and we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so for this one, because I cut it into 3 pieces, I think I'm going to individually line them up, individually add them. Because this originally should fit something like that. So yeah, I'm going to add it the way I want it. So I'm going to individually do it. Let's start with this guy. I noticed still a little bit of dirt and stuff here, maybe some bug juice, bug guts and whatnot. Don't want to get bug juice under your decal. Yeah, that's something you don't really want. I'm going to peel this back. Actually, I'm going to peel it from the bottom first. Oops, thought I had it. There we go. So I want it about kind of straighten with this guy. So about right about here would look good, I think. Don't want any of those air bubbles, especially around this curve. Be very noticeable. Go ahead and cut it. Pretty good. So this is the shorter one. This one I want it to be shorter. So I think about right here would look pretty good. So I'm gonna peel it and we'll stick it on. See, around there should be okay. That's okay. Perfect. Alright, we'll go to the last one, peel it off, and see how it all looks together. And I suck at peeling these things. I just don't have nails. I chew my nails. I bite my nails, guys. Bad habits. Better than being a smoker though, right? Oh, come on. Maybe I should just be a smoker then. Oh, here we go. God. 5 hours later, right? Jeez. What do you guys think? Yeah, I think that's good. I'll leave it. Perfect. Okay, let's peel it. See how it turns out. Well, everybody, looks like it turned out fairly well. I like it. I'm happy with it. For the most part, I think we got it nailed. We succeeded with what we wanted. It looks great. I think it looks fantastic. Overall, easy install. Doesn't take you very long. That's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. And this is George from Venture GT, signing out. Peace.